Welcome. In front of me I have Cubot X20 and today I will show you how can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So at first we are going to open a box with our tempered glass. And for sure we'll find here tempered glass. And also here we can find two wipes, wet and dry. And at first we are going to use this one. And as you can see on the smartphone we got already installed protection. There is very thin foil, but you don't have to remove it. You can put on it another protection, so you can do like you want. I'm going to stay with this one. And right now you can make the simple moves in the circle. You have to reach a very corner. And after that, when you finish, you can move to another wipe. Okay, and as you can see, when it's finished, you can start with removing this sticker from your tempered glass. So do it like that. And after that you can finally put your glass on the display. You have to keep holding the bottom part. Okay, and if everything is fine, you can put the bottom part and press with your finger, for example, in the middle, and it goes automatically, as you can see. If you got this kind of the air bubble, you can simply move it with your finger, or you can also use this wipe and move it from one of the edge. You can also put your fingernail underneath the glass, leave that a little bit. We can make it from the edge, it will be easier. And then move it here, and there it goes. As you can see, it's simple. Okay, and as you can see, the installation process is finished. So right now we can raise our smartphone, and as you can see right now we can use that smartphone. So there is no any problem with the touch interaction, even when you use the two protections. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.